Next, let's look at an example. Here we have labels and text boxes, and over here we have link labels. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 of each. There are 8 labels and 8 text boxes, so just add them in. Let's add the labels first. Labels. After that, add the text boxes. So adjust it a bit to make it look nice. Then we'll just copy and paste, copy and paste. If you want to select a group like this, just copy it. Then just press Ctrl plus V to paste. Do this until you have all of them. For right, once we have 4 sets, just copy all 4 of them. Then press Ctrl plus V, and we'll have more. Alright, now we have all of them, but they don't look as nice in the example yet. We might need to adjust some properties like the font and so on. Let's continue. There's one more left, the link label. For the link label, just type it here and then drag it down. The link label here is used to display the auto ID. We can't edit it, it's an auto ID. Next, go ahead and rename the control and change the text on the label here. I'll move the properties window closer to this area so I don't have to move the mouse too far. To move the property window, just press. Normally, you just click and hold, then drag it over like this. I'll place it about here. For the first label, click on it and change the text to product barcode. So just like that. First text box as well too. Product barcode text box. Alright, that's done. Next, for the second label, it's product name. Enter that as the text. Rename the text box as well. It is a name text box product. Next is unit in stock. If you want to know what options there are or what you should rename it to, just check in our database that we've already connected to, SQL Server. Where do you look?